Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a bank that's been around for a while now, but you might not have heard of it. It's called Poppy Bank. Now, I'm not going to tell you how long Poppy Bank has been around just yet. Instead, I want you to take a moment to think about the following question. How long do you think a bank needs to be in business before it can be considered a good bank? Think about it for a minute. What are the things you look for in a bank? Is it stability? Is it customer service? Is it interest rates? Once you've thought about that for a bit, let's get back to Poppy Bank. Poppy Bank was founded in 2005. That's right, it's a relatively young bank compared to some of the big names out there. But despite its age, Poppy Bank has quickly become one of the most popular banks in the United States. So, what makes Poppy Bank so special? Well, for starters, Poppy Bank is committed to providing its customers with the best possible service. They have a team of experienced and knowledgeable bankers who are always available to help you with whatever you need. In addition to great customer service, Poppy Bank also offers a wide range of products and services, including checking and savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. They also have a number of online banking features, making it easy to manage your finances from anywhere. One of the things that I really like about Poppy Bank is their commitment to giving back to the community. They support a number of local charities and organizations, and they're always looking for ways to make a positive impact in the world. So, if you're looking for a bank that offers great customer service, a wide range of products and services, and a commitment to giving back to the community, then Poppy Bank is a great choice. So, how long has Poppy Bank been around? Poppy Bank has been around for 19 years. That's not a long time compared to some of the other banks out there, but it's long enough to have established a strong reputation for providing quality products and services. If you're looking for a bank that you can trust, then Poppy Bank is a great choice. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, remember to choose a bank that you can trust. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. Thanks for watching.